In Tilburg in the Netherlands, the infrastructure operator ProRail faces an accumulation of rail defects. Over 30 wheel slip marks on 6 points near a large logistics centre. The problem here was caused by an engine shunting a heavy goods train. We simply had to find a solution, otherwise all the points would soon have had to be renewed. Together with Vossloh, we decided to eliminate the defects by milling and grinding so that we could go on using the points. During the night shift, the milling truck will process almost every part of the points, removing enough material to eliminate the defects. A Flexis team is also in action on the crossing frogs. The specialists with the manual equipment complement the work of the milling machine so the points undergo full processing. Combined use of the milling machine and the Flexis equipment requires a lot of experience, tact and sensitivity. When Flexis and the milling machine work in combination, the most important thing is to ensure a perfect match and fit between the profile and height of the rail. At the end of the day, the customer has points that are as good as new. During overnight track possession, the Vossloh team processes all of the damaged section. 6 points and some 200 meters of track are now back in excellent condition. The work has now been completed and we're very satisfied. All the defects have been removed and our points have been given a new lease of life, as it were. Further use instead of replacement, even if there are serious rail defects. That saves money, avoids lengthy track closures and ensures greater sustainability in the railway infrastructure. Vossloh has just the right solutions to offer.